Hello everybody, my name is Leonel Lopez from the ESWA team. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create an API resource starting from the store procedure in the database and finishing with the API classes. So first, you have to make sure you already have installed Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and Visual Studio. There are plenty of videos in our YouTube channel where you can find a way to install Microsoft SQL Server and Visual Studio. So the first thing that you should do is to add the effort database to your local host. So you can do it here from the project in Visual Studio. If you don't have the database, you can just publish it. Go to publish and then publish your database to your local host, to the instance of SQL Server that you are working on. So once you publish your database, you are going to start creating the store procedure that will manage the tables and the data in the database. So here are all the tables. You go to programmability, store procedures, and here you just right click and set store procedure. So you already have code scaffold for you. Here in this part, you are going to put all your parameters. So let's see that we are creating, that we want to create the store procedure that is called set auto trading. Here I already have the name here. The store procedure here is just to show you. So you give the store procedure a name. It should be a schema, then that the name of the store procedure. And you have to start with SP underscore, then upper camel case, set auto trading. Now you are going to create the store procedure. Here goes the parameters and then all the things that you want to do. So as you can see, we have put the parameters here, and then here it goes all the tables that we are going to use, all the updates, insert statements goes in here. So then you hit execute and it will create a store procedure in the database. Once you have the store procedure in the database, you are going to test it. To test it, you just right click here and say execute store procedure. Then we go to Visual Studio. Then we look for the project, the Web API project. You open the project. You go to the Web API. Then you choose the controller you are working on. So you can create as well another controller if you want, if it's for something specific. But now I'm going to demonstrate how to do it with these already created controllers. So if you'll be working in the schema Forex, you should put your API resources under the Forex controller. So here there's an example of how to do the set auto trading API resource. So the first thing you have to clarify is the HTTP method. This time we're going to use HTTP post, then the name of the action method, and then the parameters if we're going to send the parameters in the URL. Then you declare your function like this, name of the function, parameters. Then you have, well, this time because we are using the Forex schema, we are going to use the Forex database class. So you go to data access, Forex database class, Once you have your store procedure ready, the next step is to create the method in your Forex database class. So in this class, we are opening the connection to the database. We are executing the store procedure. We are sending instructions to execute the store procedure in the database, and then we are closing the connection. So let's look for the method we are working on. It will be this one, set auto trading. So you create a method with the same name as the store procedure, so it's easy to understand. In this method, you are going to be opening the connection, you are going to be sending the instructions. Here you are saying that what you are going to be executing is a store procedure. You put the name of the store procedure. You pass the parameters to the store procedure. You have to be very careful that you use the same parameters, name, data types, and everything in your parameters. And then you close the connection. Then in your controller, you're going to use that method that you created in your access class. You're going to use it to retrieve the data. And then you return the response. So this is how you create the API. So you should have your method already created. Then you should have a method to access the database in your access class, in your database class. And then you should call that class from your method in the controller. These three files, the store procedure and the controller class and the access database, you are going to find it if you go to open folder. When you go here, you are going to have them all here. So here you have your database project. You open it, you go to Forex schema, store procedures, and then here you can just drag and drop this to the web API request. Then you go to the web application, look for the API controllers, and you drag and drop the controller to your request. Then you look for in your data access for the Forex database schema where you put the method to open the connection and close it with the database. And same thing, you just drag and drop this in your API request. Thank you.